Welcome to the Alnwick Poison Garden, where beauty meets danger. Hidden behind these black iron gates lies a world of deadly secrets. Located in the heart of Northumberland, England, the Alnwick Poison Garden is home to over 100 of the world's most toxic plants. This is not your typical garden tour. As we step inside, you'll notice the warning signs everywhere. These plants are not just dangerous to touch, but even to inhale. Let's explore some of the most infamous residents of this deadly garden. First, we have the beautiful yet lethal Atropa belladonna, commonly known as deadly nightshade. Just a few berries can be fatal. Next, meet the aconitum, or monkshood. Its roots were once used to poison enemy water supplies in ancient warfare. And here we have the Ricinus communis, or castor bean plant. Its seeds contain ricin, one of the most potent toxins known to man. Throughout history, these plants have been used for both medicinal and malicious purposes. From royal assassinations to witchcraft, their stories are as dark as the plants themselves. Imagine the intrigue and danger that surrounded these plants in the hands of those who knew their secrets. While the Alnwick Poison Garden is a place of beauty, it serves as a stark reminder of nature's power. Always respect the warnings, and never underestimate these plants. Thank you for joining us on this chilling tour. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more dark tourism adventures. Stay curious and stay safe.